Spring cleaning. It's a ritual around the world. It's an opportunity to clear out the clutter and make room for new things, new opportunities, and new energies. And I'm going through some of my stuff, and I got some clothes that don't fit, old CDs and DVDs. Okay. I've got coaxial cable, gone. And I've got a corded phone. Well, those are done. What about spring cleaning your speaking? Yeah, that's right. You clear out everything else. You try to make space for better things, right? For self-improvement, for taking in more exercise. There's more sun. There's more time for leisure coming up with vacations. But all this speaks to that be more conscious of the way you speak. And this is an opportunity to improve that as well. So let's get rid of, let's see what I got here. Bad wardrobe choices. Gone. Poor video techniques like not turning your camera on. Gone. Poor body language like being slumped or, all those things that you've seen in my videos about how body conveys more than 60% of what people receive in communication from you. Gone. Trite phrases like step out of the box or get in the flow. Tons of them. Probably there's some specific to your industry or your business. This is your time to get rid of these trite phrases and improve your communication and your personal communication too. And mostly your filler words. Get rid of them. Practice pausing, breathing, listen to yourself on recordings. Be much more aware that this is probably what clutters your speaking more than anything else. Do your spring cleaning, your physical spaces, and also your mental space for new ideas and new possibilities. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my inner circle for weekly tips and techniques to improve your public speaking and help you communicate with impact. Subscribe at rosemaryravinal.com, and thank you for watching. Happy cleaning!